What really happened in Indigo Flight 6E2142? Terrifying turbulence, panic, and a broken nose in Srinagar skies. It started like any other flight. Seat belts clicked, passengers relaxed, the crew smiled. But just minutes before landing in Srinagar, Indigo Flight 6E2142 plunged into chaos. Without warning, the skies turned savage. A deafening roar of hailstones battered the plane. The cabin shook violently. Overhead pins rattled, people clutched their seats, some prayed, others screamed. In a matter of seconds, calm turned into sheer panic at 30,000 feet. This wasn't turbulence, it was a storm warp path, and the plane was in its way. Sudden chaos at 30,000 feet. As the aircraft approached Srinagar on Tuesday morning, clear skies turned dark. A violent hailstorm struck without warning. Passengers felt the plane rattle, panic spread. A viral video shows hailstorms hammering the fuselage, the cabin trembled, people screamed, some cried. Emergency in the air. With zero visibility and damage mounting, the pilot declared an emergency to air traffic control. The aircraft's nose cone was shattered by hail. With skill and calm, the crew managed to land the aircraft safely at 6:30 p.m. Everyone on board shaken but safe. No injuries, but the plane was grounded. While all passengers were safely evacuated, the aircraft was immediately declared aircraft on ground, too damaged to fly. Indigo confirmed that standard safety protocols were followed and maintenance is underway. Why did this happen? According to the India Meteorological Department, the freak weather was caused by a cyclonic circulation over Haryana. It wasn't just this flight, several others were delayed or diverted at Delhi airport due to the sudden storm. The passengers are safe, but the scare was real. In an age of AI, automation, and forecasting tech, can commercial flights really prepare for such violent weather shifts? Or will turbulence like this become new normal? The bigger question, can our skies truly be predicted? As climate patterns grow increasingly erratic, air safety systems are facing challenges like never before. Flight 6E2142's narrow escape poses a deeper question. Are commercial airlines equipped for such extreme and sudden weather conditions, or is it time for stricter preventive protocols and real-time forecasting tech? Stay tuned as investigations continued.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.